Easy living in this 3-bedroom 3-bath split bedroom plan. The open floor plan finds a great room with a ceiling fan that opens to an eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and pantry, plus a formal dining room with hardwood floor. The primary suite affords a bath with double sinks and a walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms complete the main level. A versatile lower level could be used as a playroom, office, or extra bedroom with a full bath, laundry, and a workshop. Enjoy the rocking chair front porch and back deck. Extra storage in the attic. 2-car basement garage.